ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino, incidents of school violence in the country is slowly becoming an issue that must be addressed sooner.
O hindi dapat na ipakulong at mas ang kailangan natin ay yung tamang pagpapatupad ng kasalukuyang batas, yung Juvenile Justice Law. Hindi naman sinasabi ron na kapag below 15 years of age ay basta wala nang gagawin ang gobyerno at walang pananagutan dito.
Aside from strengthening the juvenile justice law, the bill also included agency interventions and providing mental health services to students. At the same time, the bloc also calls for an investigation on the current whereabouts, security classification, and the alleged special treatment given to convicted criminal former Major General Jovito Palparan Jr. In 2018, Palparan was convicted by the Malolos Regional Trial Court for the kidnapping and serious illegal detention of 2 University of the Philippines students.
Ngunit may mga ulat na o may mga indikasyon na maaaring wala siya sa bilibid. May isang dokumento na nagsabi na transfer daw siya sa PNA sa Baguio. So, gusto nating malaman talaga ang buong katotohanan hindi sa actual na kinalalagyan itong si Palparan at kung may special treatment man na binibigay sa kanya bilang former general ng Armed Forces in the Philippines.
Meantime, the pre-trial conference for the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte was marked accomplished on Thursday night, June 25. Included in the list of witnesses of the prosecution panel are Court Sheriff Abe Andres, who was punched by VP Sara during a demolition operation in Davao City in 2011. Another was Mary Grace Piatos, who was alleged to be one of the recipients of the Vice's confidential funds.
Well, mahalaga po yung Mary Grace Piatos kasi nasa sentro siya nung pong kontrobersiya, nung pong paggamit ng confidential funds. No? Yung existence or non-existence po ni Mary Grace Piatos, yung pong smoking gun, kung talaga nga bang tama o mali. Yung pong paggamit ng confidential funds. And going back to the COA report, marami po doon ay obviously hindi ho tamang paggamit.
As pre-trial matters finish, the actual impeachment trial shall continue on July 6 at the Senate. Kapatid Amy Atienza, we are One News.